Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I promised I wasn't going to do any more than my macro guru reminded me about match vectors, and it's a free macro, and I'll put the link to the bottom of this video. This makes life so easy. So if we take a 2-point line and go from that node to that node, and then duplicate it in this macro, and see it's at 613. Let's make it 7 inches. Hit apply, and then click on your polygon and match vector. Now, I'm sure he's going to watch this, and I'm going to ask him, when he sent me a video of it, and when he does it, it just changes it, but you can see, so now you have a 7. This will work for any shape. So if we could just give a 2, and I've got everything, Eskimo, I've got everything checked. I think you have. Delete, source, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but if you wanted this line, see it's at 4.67, and we grab that line and duplicate it, and let's make it 6, hit apply, then grab your item and hit match vector, and then you have a 6-inch, 6-sided or 8-sided, whatever that is. Same thing with even a triangle. You know, you can do the same thing with pretty much any shape. Just grab a 2-point line. Make sure you go from node to node, and then duplicate that line, change it. Let's just say we want it to just be 10. Hit apply, make your selection, and then match it. And then if we measure the new one, I'll guarantee it's 10 inches long lines. Anyway, so that's match vectors, and I'll put a link of it. It's free. Eskimo does this for the community, and he's has quite a few macros, so if you want to watch them, you can watch them from that link. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.